Tuttle, the real estate guy with Legacy Real Estate Services, and I am at Classic Heritage Homes model home located at 12534 Breeder Cup Way. And I'm here in the kitchen to show you a couple of standard features emphasizing that Classic Heritage Homes is greater than other builders. Standard in Classic Heritage Homes is a gas cooktop and this very modern vent hood. These are items that would be standard in Classic Heritage Homes but would be considered upgrades with other builders. Another standard feature that you can see right here is our tile backsplash. These are standard in Classic Heritage Homes, so you can see that with Classic Heritage Homes you get more for your money. Classic Heritage Homes is helping build your future, and we'd love to help you into one of these great homes. So please call us at 915-588-1850 and let us see how we can help you get into a Classic Heritage Home. Thanks for watching, God bless you, and make it a great day. Bye-bye.